This dance is called Meri Jaan, choreographed by Miss Rissa Miura from Indonesia and Herman Baso, also from Indonesia. There are 48 count, 4 waltz, improver level line dance. There is one take on this dance, 8 count on after wall 2, only once. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with this section 1. Section 1, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 5, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let me repeat the whole part. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 5, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, there is one take 8 count after wall 2, which is facing 6 o'clock. Okay, 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of our new collaborations choreo. We hope you like it, you enjoy it, and we look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!